Are we only going to concentrate on the poorest of the poor? Are we only going to help the transport sector? What about those people earning minimum wage? Yung mga nagtatrabaho po sa mga tindahan, grocery, mga clerk, janitor, janitress, security guards. Hindi ko sila above minimum wage. Yung iba pa nga po dyan, below minimum wage. Can we take care of these people? They also need help. Hindi lang po ang transport sector, hindi lang po ang farmers, hindi lang po ang fisher folks. Hindi lang po yung poorest of the poor, yung mga members ng 4Ps, but also these people. Let us not forget, ito na naman po tayo. I mean, I've been reading the newspapers, we're so focused. Tama naman po, tulungan natin, mahirap. But what about the backbone of our labor force? The people in the supermarkets, the baggers, the cashiers, the janitors, janitress, security guards. Will they also get financial assistance from the government? Kaya ito po yung pag-uusapan natin. We'll be asking the various agencies kung, kasi I keep on reading, we're so focused in several sectors, but what about this sector? Those who are earning minimum wage or below minimum wage, will they also benefit? I mean, will they be given assistance by the government? Or hahayaan lang natin na ganyan na lang? So when we talk of ayuda, ladies and gentlemen, we also have to look at everybody. Hindi lang po yung poorest of the poor sa pinakaibaba, transport sector, farmers, fishermen. What about po yung mga nasa middle class? Let us not forget these people. Yan po naging problema natin nung pandemic. Hindi po agad naasikaso sila. Kaya umalma po yung mga ito na, wait, nagtatrabaho kami. Wait, yung pinambibigay nyo na ayuda galing sa buwis po namin, taxes. So let's not forget this, ladies and gentlemen.